Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you another Notion tutorial, but this is specifically based on buttons, relations, and rollups. So to begin with, I'm going to show you how to add a task. What I mean by that is that you have 3 tasks, you click this button, and you add another task. So how to do it is really simple. I think this will be the easiest one today. So you click, and then you type / and then buttons, and then this will pop up. This is where you name the button, so I'm going to put add task, and then this is where we put in the action. So we're going to click insert block, and we're going to do the same thing and type /, but in this case to-do list. Okay, and then we know a checkbox is going to appear. Now, whether you want it above or below depends on you, but I think it's nicer to have it above. So I'm going to click above button and then done. And then when you click add task, it pops up. Then again, if you want to change anything here, all you need to do is click this settings icon, edit it, and then, for example, you want to change it to below button. You click it, click done, and it will add one below it. So that's just how you add a task. Very simple. And then I'm going to show you how to reset a table. So for example, let's say this is your morning routine. You've already filled it in for like the week, and this is how it looks like, for example, and then you want to reset without having to untick all the boxes. You click reset and it clears. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in this case, what you do is that you click this and then you type in button again. And this will appear. So what you want to do is name it to, I guess, reset, just so you know what it does, and then new action. In this case, we're going to click edit pages. Here you need to make sure you select the database. For this, I'm going to pick the database of the one above, and I believe that's AM routine. Okay, and then you're going to make sure there's no filter, and it's set to edit all pages in AM routine 1. So then we're going to select a property, and we're going to select all the days of the week. And then you want to select unchecked, meaning that you want, when you click the reset button, you want all of them to become unchecked. And that's how it is. And then also, if you want to change the icon, you can just click that emoji button and then select any one you want. So for example, this. And then this is how it should appear. And then you click done. So this is how it should look like. So let's say you've ticked all the boxes. And then you want to reset. Click reset, and it should clear. That's how you use the button in that manner. And then the third one is making a new table. So in this case, you want to make a new table. So let's say you filled up the entire table and you just want a nice fresh set. You click watchlist review, and a new one should show up. So I'm going to teach you how to make that. So first of all, you're going to go above, and then, like I've said before, / button, enter. And then here we're going to, you can name the button however you like. I put watchlist review, so again, I know what the button does. And then you're going to click new action, insert block. And then here, instead of making a whole new table, you can just duplicate the one before and duplicate without content. And then drag it all the way here and drop it. You can hide database title and then set it up the way you want it to be anytime you click the button or want a new table. And this is how it should look like. And then you click done. And so when you click it, a new table should open up. So now we're on to relations and rollups. So this is something I use a lot, especially in my watch list tracker or my Kdrama tracker. It's nice because I get to know how many movies or shows, series, anime, K-dramas, how many I watched that year and which ones I watched that year. So how many each year and the names of the movie you watched. First of all, this is how the table is. You want to create a new property and you want to go all the way down to relation. And then you want to link it to the database that has the years you watched it. So that's archive 1. And then you want a two-way relation because you're going to relate it to the property that has the names of the movies you're tracking. So in this case, that would be the name property. And then you can change it to year I watched it. And then you can start selecting them. And then you'll see that it will appear here. And if you want to make a rollup, you add a new property, type in rollup or search for it, and it will appear, rollup. And then you're going to select the relation, and that's going to be name because you want it to count the number of movies, and it's going to do that by the name. And then you click calculate, and you're going to click count, and you want it to be count all. And that's how it's going to look like. So if you just move it here, see, it's going to count. You watched 1 movie in 2022, 1 in 2023, 2 in 2024, and 1 in 2025. So this is how you use relations, rollups, and buttons. I'll leave this template in the description just in case you want to play around with it and have a better understanding. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know and just put them in the comments. And also let me know what other tutorials you want to see. Bye!